Okay, today I'm going to show you a bit of Excel. If they tell you to, some little formatting tricks. If they tell you to insert a new line, you insert a new line, you go to click on the one, wherever they want you to, you go insert, and there it is. So now they want you to format from A1 to F1, and they want you to merge all those rows. You highlight it, click on merge. Okay. And they want you to put in the title there. So you put the so now that's what they wanted you to do. Give it a title, and you put it in there. Then they say you must make the writing white. So now they say white, or whatever color they want, white, and it disappears. It must be bold, and it must be 16, and it must be sans serif. And so sans serif is Arial or Calibra, but Arial. And put it in there, and there you go. And then if they want the background red, not the writing, the background. So now they want the background. Just get a nice dark color so we can see the writing. So now they want a dark blue. There you go. Can you see that? Then they say insert your name in the header. You go there. There's the header. If they want it on the left side, you put your name in there. And can you see there's the middle and there's the right. So on the right center they want edited by and Joe B. And in the footer, they wanted something. You go click on here. Can you see there? Go to footer, and so now they wanted your center number and your student number there. And on the far right-hand side, they wanted the date, and they wanted you to type in and then they wanted the time. You'll go date, current date. Can you see there? And you'll type in and then you'll click on time. Can you see there's no spaces? Okay. Because that's, can you see that and sign there? That means it's the date. Can you see there? You clicked on date, it put the date in. They told you to type something in, you type it in there, and time. And there it is, okay? And then you go back to home, view, or you go to view, and you go to normal view, okay? Doesn't want to do it now. Let's do click out of there, and then you go to normal. Click out of your footer or your header, wherever you are. You click on normal view, and there you are. Let's go up, and we're back into normal view. You see, if you want to see if you've done it right, you just go to File, Print Preview, and there's it. Can you see there? Joe P, edited by Joe P, in your print preview. Make sure you check that at the end of the exam, that you've got everything right. Can you see the date? And there's the time. Oops, didn't put a space in for some reason, but okay. You can always hit the space when you're making it. Okay, so there's that, okay? So we've got it here. What else do they want? I'm just going to have something to drink quickly, a drink of water, and then I'll carry on, okay? Okay, so let's carry on. Okay, so next thing they might say, can you see all the dates here? They say the dates must be left aligned. You highlight that. You right-click on it, format cell, and you go to alignment. And can you see there, horizontal is left to right, vertical is top to bottom. So they want it left, and you go look for left. Okay, so go left, and you go okay. And there is, can you see it, gone to the left. Okay, you can make that a bit smaller. Okay, we've got that. So, let's carry on. It says here, in cell E11, where's 11? Oh, okay, they might say, okay, cell E11, there's 11, can you see that? use a function to calculate the regional income from Bahrain. So Bahrain's code is AF. Use a function use absolute and relative references. Do not use a named range. Format the cell as South African rand to 2 decimal places. Okay, South African rand to 2 decimal. Replicate this function for each region in cell going down like this. Okay. So what do they actually want? They want you to get, they want the total amount. Okay. So here's the total amount for Bahrain. What's Bahrain's code? Bahrain's code is AF. Okay. So what they want to add all the AFs. So they want the AFs. From here, they're looking at all these codes. They're going to count all the AFs from the regional code. Okay. So all the AFs that equal this AF, they want this amount to appear in the 11. So they want the total of the AFs to appear in here. What did I tell you what total is? Sum. But there's a condition. Only if it's Bahrain. If it's Assyria or Abstrala or Epop or Nati Amy or Salty Amy, it must not come here. So there's a if. Count the total of all Bahrain in here, of all this, only if it's Bahrain. Count that amount in here, only if it's Bahrain. So, what's total? We know total is sum. There's a condition. What's the condition? Only Bahrain. Okay, so we know it's a sum if. So what do we do? It's quite easy. Can you see there's the R code, and here's the R code. You highlight this R code. What we're referencing it against, we're going to reference it against this R code. They only want the AFs. It's telling it, look at all these codes, reference it against AF, and then in the amount, take all the AFs and add it. You get it? So you go like that, and you pull it down. Because we're telling it to only look at AFs, you close this, and because we're telling it to only look at the AF amounts here, we're going to absolute cell reference it. You get it? So we go there, and you press F4. And you go there, and you press F4. I want you guys to practice this, okay? And you hit it. And you go there. Right click. Format cell. And there it is. So we're going to try and make it currency. Do we make it currency? Where we go? Format cell. And currency. Make it rand. Actually, let's do this first, okay? Let's pull it down. Because they say we must replicate it. Can you see that? The first one, we must first pull it down before you format it, okay? Because now, if you made it rands first and you pull it down, you can make all the columns rands. And you've got to do it one by one because they want all the different currencies there. So you've got to do it one by one, okay? So you do the formula, you pull the formula down, then you go to each individual cell and you make it what they want you to make it. So this one must be rand, and you go down there and you look for rand, okay? You can't do it any other way. You've got to do it this way. I tried to type in rand there and it didn't take me anywhere. Okay. So go look for rand. Oh, this is a pain in the butt. Okay, because it's going to take so much time. South Africa, can you see there? And I go, okay. And then you go to the next one. You must make it Jan. You do it like this, over and over and over. Currency, Chinese Yuan, and I know it's just somewhere in the middle. Start about there, and move your way down. So look for anything Chinese. Where's Chinese? And it's like a Y with a stroke through it. Okay, so let's go look for a Y with a stroke through it. And so we're going down. No. Taiwan is not China. It's like saying Iraq is Bahrain. Taiwan is not China. Go look for the proper Chinese, okay? Okay, go look through there. Oh my goodness. Where's China? This could take hours. I can't find Chinese yet. It's just because I'm not looking. I'm too impatient. You guys, gotta go and find China. Okay? Whatever. Okay, dollar, you know what the dollar sign is, the euro sign. And you go and find it and you put it all in here. Okay? I'm not gonna do it. You guys can do it. It's your exam. I'm just showing you how to do it, okay? So that's how you do it. So you first do the formula, you pull the formula down, then you make each one the currency. Be careful, okay? Do you understand that? So have we done it? So do you understand how to do this? They wanted the AF amount, all the AF amounts to appear here and all the way down, okay? So it's quite simple, that formula, there it is, okay? What's the next one? Just hold on, I'm gonna have a sip of water. Okay, it says use the cells in B11 to B16 to create a name range called, let's give it another name. What's it? B16, B11 to B16 called code. Okay. Okay, B11 to B16. B11 to B16. There it is. You highlight it. It's quite easy. And the easy way to do it, you do that. Shift code. Can you see there? And you go, okay. Take a screenshot of how you're doing it and explain how you do it, okay? So there you go. That's called code. Let's prove it. You go out of there. You go there. It's called code. Okay. So that's quite easy. Do you understand how to do it? They wanted you to call this one currency. You'd go like that. You'd highlight that. And you type in currency and press enter. You must press enter. Otherwise it won't work. Okay. Remember how we did it? Where's B11? We went like this. We typed in code. Press enter and it'll appear. If you don't press enter, it'll go back to this. Look here. So now I had to call this one exchange. Type in EXCHANGE. And if I don't press enter and I go back there and I come back to this one, look what it's called. You got to type in exchange or whatever they ask you to type in and press enter. You got it? Okay, cool.